control panel isn't usually judged by its looks. It has a job to do, and that's what matters most. But that doesn't mean a control panel can't have style. Give your control panel a quick, simple and cost-effective makeover with the new flush mounting kit from Schneider Electric. Designed for the Harmony range, this new accessory lends style to the Schneider Electric control panel interface. With quick and easy installation and no need to change control devices or machine operating mode, the flush mounting kit helps achieve a premium aesthetic without major expense or difficulty. The complete flush mounting offer includes both plastic and metal flush mounting sets. There's also an option with a legend holder for easy labeling. With the new Harmony flush mounting kit, you can add a touch of style to control panels in a wide range of applications. Give your control panel a new look today.